Discover 5 easy detox waters that boost your health every day. Drink 1 glass in the morning. Add 1 sliced lemon, 1 inch ginger, and 5 mint leaves to 1 liter water. Stir and infuse to kickstart your metabolism and detox your body. Sip 1 glass mid-morning. Use 1/2 cucumber, 1 lemon, and 1 rosemary sprig in 1 liter water. Chill 30 to 60 minutes for hydration and skin support. Drink 1 glass in the afternoon. Add 1 sliced orange, 1/2 cup blueberries, 5 basil leaves to 1 liter water. Infuse 1 to 2 hours to boost antioxidants and support immunity. Enjoy 1 glass in the evening. Use 1/2 cup strawberries, 1 sliced lime, and 5 mint leaves in 1 liter water. Chill 30 to 60 minutes to refresh and reduce bloating. Drink 1 glass before bed. Add 1/2 cup pineapple chunks, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder to 1 liter coconut water. Stir and infuse 10 to 15 minutes for digestion and inflammation support. Try these detox waters daily and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips.